Hey everyone, what's up? How are you all doing? It's Lara here, and I'm really excited to share something that's been a total game changer for men's health, ProstaVive. This powerful supplement is already making a big difference for thousands of men, and it could be just what you need to support your overall well-being. So, what makes ProstaVive so special? It's all about promoting a healthy, well-functioning prostate. But what sets it apart is its unique focus on improving blood flow to the prostate. Why is that important? Well, research from Fukushima Medical University in Japan shows that better blood circulation plays a major role in how your body manages and supports healthy prostate cells. And when blood flow improves, it can lead to better urine flow and help maintain a normal prostate size. Think about it. When your prostate is in good shape, it affects so many parts of your life. You might start noticing more restful sleep, a more active love life, and that natural confidence boost that comes with feeling great again. ProstaVive is specially designed to support all of that. Strong urine flow, better sleep, and renewed energy. Imagine waking up each day feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. That's the difference a healthy prostate can make. And ProstaVive helps you get there with just one simple glass a day. So what's behind this amazing formula? ProstaVive contains a carefully chosen blend of natural ingredients known to support prostate health. These include boron panax, ginseng fenugreek, ashwagandha, maca root, nettle root, and several more powerful nutrients. Together, these ingredients work to improve urine flow, increase energy levels, and boost your overall wellness. And as the benefits kick in, you'll feel more energized, more confident, and more in control of your health. Here's the best part. When you buy ProstaVive from the official website, you're protected by a 180-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That's right. You can try it completely risk-free, knowing your investment is safe. Plus, the official site often offers great discounts, so it's never been easier, or more affordable, to take care of your health. I've dropped the official link in the video description below, so be sure to check it out. If you're ready to take charge of your health and feel like your best self again, then ProstaVive might be exactly what you've been looking for. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Remember, investing in your health is one of the smartest choices you can make. And with ProstaVive, you've got a strong natural ally by your side. Take care, and I'll see you all again very soon.